Indulge in the sweet life with these stunning aesthetic pink cake designing ideas. From soft pastel hues to bold rose tones, we'll show you how to create show-stopping cakes that are almost too pretty to eat, almost. Get ready for a dose of cake inspiration and decorating tips to elevate your baking game. In this video, we'll explore beautiful pink cake designs to inspire your next baking project. Tips and tricks for achieving the perfect aesthetic. Easy to follow decorating ideas for beginners and pros alike. So grab your cake decorating tools and let's get creative. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cake-tastic content. Blushing beauty. Aesthetic pink cake designing ideas to sweeten your day. Get ready to be inspired by the soft romance of pink. In this video, we're sharing stunning aesthetic pink cake designing ideas that will elevate your baking game and add a touch of elegance to any celebration. From delicate pastels to vibrant magentas, we'll showcase a range of pink hues and decorating techniques to create breathtaking cakes that are almost too pretty to eat. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, our tutorial will provide you with creative ideas and expert tips to bring your cake visions to life. In this video, you'll discover unique pink cake designs to inspire your next baking project. Tips and tricks for achieving the perfect aesthetic. Easy to follow decorating ideas for cakes that wow. Subscribe for more cake decorating tutorials and ideas. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.